Hello, I have a standard task. I have a list of delimited text with comma, or it may be any delimiter in your case, and I want to split it. I want to split it with this comma. If I split one text with comma, I'll get this. But if I do it like array formula or index, because I use index instead of array formula, it's just shorter. Index of before semicolon b9 in my case. Okay, b9, let's be precise. Yes, now I can even split it, so I have different bunches of text. Here I have 5 elements, here I have 7 elements. And what else I can do? I can count number of items, or count A, because it could be text, not only numbers. But if I do this, you see it just counts everything. So I want by row, I want to add by row function. And how can I do that? I will use by row a new lambda by row of the same rows here. Next lambda, r is my variable for row, so r for each row in iterator, it will iterate this. And next I want count A of split this row by this comma. See, now I have number of elements of each element, and that's the same as my named function called num parts, number of parts. Okay, having this done, now I want another thing. I want to append and prepend some text. What I mean, I want to add tags, something like make all these parts bold, but not making these commas bold, or something like that. So we have special tags in HTML for bold text. This one, and this is closing tag. I guess it's correct. Please tell me in the comment if I'm wrong. Guess it is correct for HTML language. And now I want to split it and to add text just before and after that, before each and after each part. How can I achieve that? So if I split text, for instance, this text, split it by same comma, and next I join it, but I join something more. I join with the same delimiter, comma in my case, and I want to join more. I want to join this and my text and these, like that. But I got only the first item. You see, if I make it like array formula or index, it gives me a good result. You see, bold, inside bold tag, each one is inside it. But it's also the case, you see, if I used join and I used index, so I cannot use the whole range here. I cannot use b4 through b9. Yeah, because it cannot do this. It cannot do it in array way. So I can also use lambda construction, but in this time I wanted to use map because it's short. Oh, sorry, map, I misspelled it. Map gives me this array as a variable, and next lambda goes, and lambda with variable name, let it be just x, nothing special, and then put my function here. But you see, I want to iterate this. This is why instead of before I want to put x, and now it will work great. And this is one possible way to make append and prepend function. You see, I append this text before each delimited part of text, and I append this bold and prepend this. So now I got all my parts inside of this HTML text. And that's it, and hope it was useful for you. And also I ask you to add more comments, which functions do you want to see next. Thank you.